Here are 5 signs that can help you assess your overall positivity or negativity, your outlook on life. Positive, you tend to see the bright side of things, even in difficult situations. You believe in the power of optimism and focus on solutions rather than problems. Negative, you often dwell on the negative aspects of life, expecting the worst and focusing on what could go wrong. You may have a tendency to complain or criticize. Your self-talk. Positive, you engage in positive self-talk, encouraging yourself and believing in your abilities. You practice self-compassion and avoid negative self-criticism. Negative, you have a habit of negative self-talk, putting yourself down and doubting your worth. You may engage in self-blame and have low self-esteem. Your relationships. Positive, you build and maintain positive relationships with others, focusing on empathy, understanding, and cooperation. You are a supportive and encouraging presence in the lives of others. Negative, you may have difficulty building and maintaining relationships due to negativity, pessimism, or a tendency to criticize or blame others. You may isolate yourself or engage in conflict. Your actions and behaviors. Positive, you take proactive steps to improve your life, setting and achieving goals and pursuing your passions. You are open to new experiences and embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. Negative, you may avoid taking action or making decisions due to fear of failure or negative outcomes. You may engage in self-sabotaging behaviors or procrastinate. Your emotional state. Positive, you experience positive emotions like joy, gratitude, and contentment more frequently than negative emotions like anger, sadness, or anxiety. You are able to manage stress effectively and maintain a positive outlook. Negative, you may experience negative emotions more frequently than positive ones, leading to feelings of stress, anxiety, or depression. You may have difficulty regulating your emotions and responding to challenges in a healthy way. Remember, everyone experiences both positive and negative emotions and thoughts. It's important to be aware of your tendencies and work towards cultivating a more positive mindset. If you find yourself struggling with negative thoughts or emotions, consider seeking support from a therapist or counselor.